Hello students, here I show you germination of a seed. See, when the seed germinates, the root comes out first. Then it penetrates into the soil. Gradually the shoot also has come up. Now you see the leaves are also arising. This it has grown little bit. So it is a gradual process. Gradually it grows into many more leaves and it increases in length, and ultimately it takes the shape of the plant. It may be a herb, shrub, tree, creeper, climber, various types of plants are there. And when the ground is covered with this green wealth, so that what we say the forest. Here you see thick green cover on a large area, that what we say forest. Different types of plants are there, mainly trees with different types of crowns, herbs, shrubs, creeper, climbers, this all are there, and it forms different layers in a forest. How much time does it take to cover this with green plants? It takes years, because just only the germination of seed into seedling into a plant, it takes time, right? So it takes years to grow this green cover over the earth surface. But this picture changes into this cut parts of the trees. It takes place within hours. With improved technologies, these cut parts can be dispatched within a day to different places where it will be used. So that what we say deforestation. Deforestation, we have learnt about the causes of consequences of deforestation. Causes and consequences. It is needed to cut down some trees for certain purposes. Like the other day we read about, for making papers we require the trees. Without paper, today's life we cannot just even imagine. But what should we do? On the other hand, deforestation has the effects on wildlife and the other resources like air, water, soil. So what is the solution of it? Answer to deforestation is reforestation. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forests by planting new trees. The planted trees should generally be of the same species which were found in the forest. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. Reforestation can take place naturally also. If the deforested area is left undisturbed, it re-establishes itself. In natural reforestation, there is no role of human beings. That means here just the place has to be kept undisturbed for a period of time. It will restock itself, or it will recover itself by natural way. That what we say reforestation by natural way, natural reforestation. So we have already caused tremendous damage to our forests. If we have to retain our green wealth for future generations or for ourselves, plantation of more trees is the only option. It is in our hand. So we should plant as many trees as possible. Along with that, the acts which must be implemented. There are some acts like in India, we have Forest Conservation Act. This act is aimed to at preservation and conservation of natural forests and meeting the basic needs of the people living in or near the forests. That means what? It is not just keeping it intact, no use of it. We need to use this, like the paper industry or other industries which without the plant and plant products, we cannot run those industries, right? So in that case we need to use those, but we should plant more and more trees. Moreover, the knowledge of the local people, those who live in and around the forest, must be used, and they also must get involved in managing those plants and plant products. That means what? Sustainable management, that is judicious use of this natural resource. So children, a nice tour, nice virtual tour with you all and Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. We have seen the flora, fauna, endemic species, endangered species, tower reservoir, migratory birds, and so many things. So here we complete the chapter. Now a small homework I am giving you. It is quite interesting. You will like to do this. Try to find out the local names of these birds. This bird used to be found plenty in number, but now their number has reduced. This also. This bird has a tail like that of a fish. So complete this interesting homework. Thank you, students.